What's up, YouTube? All right, so today I'm here to unbox, review, okay, the Jordan 4 Hot Punch and Black Volts, okay? Release date January 2018, all right? You guys already know this is women's shoes, okay? However, this is wifey's shoe, right? This ain't my shoe, so I'm gonna review her shoe because I got this for her and she likes it, so therefore it's part of our collection. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and review this, and if you don't have this in your collection yet, you gotta get it. All right, these Jordan 4s, okay, are released because Jordan wanted to celebrate 38th year anniversary of the Jordan 4s. Okay, that's why it was released. Let's take a look at it and let's see what it looks like. So basically, this right here is made with all leather, all right? So I'm looking at it, all leather, you know what I'm saying? These are fire, okay? It's got the black Jumpman logo in front, says Flight at the bottom, okay? Got the black Jumpman logo at the back, okay? Also, wow, man, these are just so dope. These are dope Jordan 4s, man. I feel like these right here. So first of all, if you're gonna try to buy these, you're probably not gonna get hands on them. You go to Nike.com, if you go to Footlocker.com, anywhere you go, all right, you try to buy these shoes, they're not gonna be available. They're sold out, all right. But I'll tell you where you can get it from. You can either get it from me, because I got it, or you can get it from StockX. You understand what I'm saying? This is the only place you're gonna get it, because these are sold out. They're not releasing these anymore. Like I said, these were released to celebrate the 30th anniversary of the Air Jordan 4s. They are women's, you understand what I'm saying? But it could be rocked by guys, you understand what I'm saying? These are definitely, everything is pink on this, you know what I'm saying? The soles, the upper, you know what I'm saying? The tongue, even the inside is pink. Everything is pink, you understand what I'm saying? Except for the soles, it's got black soles and kind of like a lime green Jordan logo right there. But these right here, guys, it's probably like when I copped these, this was probably like maybe like almost like $250. You know what I'm saying? $250. You know what I'm saying? They all kind of steep. You know what I'm saying? When it comes to price, they all kind of steep when it comes to price. But like I said, if you want to get them, you got to go to either StockX, GOAT, or find some real sneakerhead that probably got this in their collection and it's been there for a while, and hopefully they haven't wore it yet. These right here, they're not available anymore. You understand what I'm saying? And when it comes to rating, you know what I mean? And I know this is women's shoes or whatnot, because I'd give this a 9 out of 10. It's definitely one of those Jordans you won't really see anymore. The way it was designed, the way it was put together. AJ4 is a classic. You know what I'm saying? Retro classic kicks. I just think they're fire. You know what I'm saying? I think it's put together well. The color's dope. And that's pretty much it, man. That's pretty much it, man. If you ain't got it, then you ain't got it. But if you want to get these, you're going to have to spend some money to get these. You know what I'm saying? Because they're not really that available anymore, all right? I've now come to the end of my video, guys. Thank you for watching my video. I put out sneaker videos every week, every month, all right? So if you watch my videos and you're not subscribing, don't do that to me, man. Make sure you subscribe if you're watching this channel. If you like watching Sky Duke's channel, subscribe. Don't just watch it and, you know what I'm saying, keep moving on. Don't do that, man. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Because what you're doing is spending time watching me, you know what I'm saying, talk about shoes, but you like it, but then you don't want to subscribe. No, come on, man. You can't do that to a brother. Subscribe, You know what I'm saying? Share my videos and like. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate that, right? And until next time, I'm going to holler at you guys later. One, easy.